Welcome to Valencia, a city that doesn't just welcome you, it wraps you in warmth. A place where Gothic towers guard the past, futuristic domes shape tomorrow, and every sunset writes poetry on the Mediterranean. In this video, we'll explore 12 unforgettable places, each one a page in the storybook that is Valencia. So tighten your laces, charge your camera, and open your heart. Let's begin. Step inside the Mercado Central and you step into Valencia's soul. Built in 1928, this modernist marvel is not just Europe's largest fresh food market, it's a symphony of life. Listen to the clink of knives, the laughter of vendors, the shuffle of grandmothers buying their favorite saffron. Here you'll see tradition alive. Fish caught at dawn, jamon aged with care, and oranges picked under the Valencian sun. Don't just look, taste. Try the salted cod, a local cheese, or a shot of freshly squeezed horchata. The market is built where a traditional open-air market stood for centuries. It's not new, just reborn. Commanding the central plaza like a noble guardian is the Ayuntamiento, Valencia's city hall. More than administration, it's a living monument of pride. Inside, marble staircases lead to chandelier-lit halls where decisions that shaped the city were once made. But come March, everything changes. The plaza becomes the heartbeat of Las Fallas, an explosive festival of art, fire, and sound. Here, thousands gather for the Mascletà, not fireworks for the eyes, but for the ears. A soundscape that shakes the soul. Valencia doesn't just touch the sea, it dances with it. The city's beaches are clean, accessible, and deeply loved. Walk or bike along the Palm Line promenade. Stop for churros dipped in chocolate. Watch kids build castles while elders chat over espressos. In the distance, windsurfers catch the breeze while musicians fill the salty air with flamenco riffs. Beaches like El Cabañal and La Patacona offer quieter moments away from the tourist buzz. Suddenly, you're not in Valencia anymore. You're in the future. Welcome to the city of arts and sciences, where architecture becomes fantasy. Designed by the legendary Santiago Calatrava, these buildings curve and gleam like sculptures from another world. Wander past the hemispheric, shaped like a giant blinking eye. Explore ocean wonders at l'Oceanographic, or get lost in science at the Musée de la Science. And at sunset, these buildings shimmer like dreams reflected in the water. As twilight falls, Valencia transforms. Golden domes and bell towers glow beside rooftop bars and art-filled alleys. The cityscape is a blend of eras, medieval, modernist, modern, coexisting like dancers in the same choreography. Sip vermouth on a terrace in Ruzafa or lose yourself in jazz in El Carmen. This city isn't just seen, it's felt. Wander into Ciutat Vella, and you wander through time. This is where Valencia breathes slow and deep. Cobblestone alleys curve like question marks. Orange trees lean over weathered balconies, and whispers of centuries echo between cafes and cathedrals. Here, Roman ruins lie beneath your feet. Arabic walls remember another era, and each plaza tells a different chapter, some loud with life, some hushed with memory. Pause for a café con leche in Plaza Redonda. Follow the scent of baked empanadas. Listen to a violinist play beneath the shade of history. The Old Town isn't a place on a map, it's a feeling you follow. If the other beaches are relaxed, Malvarosa is romantic. Long, wide sands and a boardwalk dotted with legendary restaurants. It was once the muse of writers and poets, and it still is. Order grilled octopus, sip sangria, and watch the sky fade from gold to indigo. 20 minutes from the city and the world shifts. At Albufera, time slows and nature whispers. This tranquil lagoon is Valencia's lungs and stomach, home to diverse birds and the birthplace of Spain's national dish, paella. Ride a traditional boat at dusk. Watch the golden sky melt into the water. Feel the hush of reeds. It's not just a view, it's a sacred ritual. If you're lucky, you might hear the fishermen's stories, tales of stormy nights and old ways passed down like heirlooms. The best paella restaurants? Hidden in Albufera's tiny village, El Palmar. Now for a secret. Port Saplaya, Valencia's hidden Venice. Just 15 minutes away, but worlds apart. This peaceful harbor town feels hand-painted. Yellow-blue terracotta houses hug tranquil canals. Locals bike, kids fish. The air is thick with the scent of fresh seafood and sweet waffle cones. It's not touristy, it's personal. A whisper instead of a shout. Guarding the entrance to the Old Town for over 600 years, the Serranos Towers were once Valencia's northern gate. Massive, majestic, and marvelously preserved. These towers were both protection and prison. Climb them, breathe in the panorama. You'll see rooftops, cathedral domes, and the Turia gardens stretching like a green serpent across the city. Once a river that flooded the city, the Turia was diverted, and its riverbed became a park. But this isn't just a park, it's a living artery. It stretches for 9 kilometers, connecting neighborhoods, museums, and stories. Jog beside palm trees, sketch under bridges, or nap to birdsong. From sunrise Tai Chi to midnight music circles. This place is Valencia's soul at play. Search for the orange garden near Puente del Mar. It's a sweet-scented secret. At the heart of old Valencia lies the cathedral, a sacred blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque. Inside, light pierces ancient glass, and silence hangs heavy. But in one modest chapel rests something extraordinary: the Holy Grail. Yes, the cup Christ is believed to have used at the Last Supper. Walk slowly, stand in stillness. Faith lives here, regardless of belief. Climb the Migaleti Tower, 207 steps, endless wonder. And now, we end where all paths meet, at the Square of St. Mary. 3 buildings, 3 eras, 1 beating heart. Sit by the Turia fountain, shaped like the river god. Watch locals stroll in silence. Lovers link hands and bells toll softly above. This isn't just a plaza, it's a pause, a moment of gratitude. Valencia isn't just a place you visit, it's a feeling that stays with you, in your breath, your smile, your soul. So, when are you coming? If you love moments that stay with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here on I Love Moments.